Okay, I figured we'd do a quick video on this old Westclox Big Ben alarm clock. I actually picked this up over the weekend. It was the only thing I picked up over the weekend. I thought it was pretty cool. And for some reason I've been collecting clocks again. So I figured this would make a nice addition to the collection. It's pretty nice. It's heavy, it's all metal. I want to say this is from the 60s or 70s. It's in really good shape. S10-D patent pending. Westclox, LaSalle, Illinois, made in the USA. 60 cycles, 2.5 watts, 115 volts. Now, I haven't tested the alarm or anything on this, but we can do that now, I guess. It's got these little felt pads on the bottom. And maybe that's a date code. 75-102. 1975, maybe? I don't know. It was a very nice clock. I can't imagine this was cheap back in the day. How do you do this? That's the minute. Let's see. Set alarm. Turn this way. Okay. Do you push in to do that? Okay, I don't want to do that. Or maybe I do. The alarm is on. Hold on, let me pause this because it's hard to do one-handed. Okay, I got it figured out. There's your alarm. It's very loud. That would definitely wake you up. And you just push that in to shut it up. But now I'm going to set the clock back to the correct time, because the only way to make it go off was to change the time. So, hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.